Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook Reels option is not showing in laptop or PC. If you're using Facebook in your laptop or in your PC and you're facing the issue that your Reels option is not showing, you're stuck on post page. So let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here once you have opened your browser, just open Facebook. You can also do the same thing with your Facebook app. I'm gonna open my browser here. So just click on your profile to open your profile here. Once you're on your profile page, you can see there I have only this post option. I don't have any reel option over here, or I can't see my reels in this section. So basically, you just have to click on this reels option over here. You might see reels. Just click on this, and now you can see your reels here in this section. If you want to switch back to post, you can click on post or click on all, and you might get all that post here. If you're facing the issue that in your reel your options are not showing, so you just have to open the reel you want and just click on these three dots. And here you might see your reels
है
options
क्या
are whether or not you can open the reel. If it's still not
तड़प
working for you, so you can try
है
to reload your whole page and then retry. And this time you might not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.